Your account health score just dropped. No violations. No warnings. No explanation. In the next 4 minutes, you'll find out exactly why this happens and what you must not do in the next 24 hours. Because most sellers make one mistake immediately after that doubles their recovery time. The score drop is not a verdict. It's a notification. Here's what most sellers don't know. A complaint against your account doesn't require proof to trigger a score impact. It only requires a submission, a competitor, a buyer, an automated system. Anyone can file a complaint. The moment it comes in, it enters a review process, and your score reflects that something is being investigated before anyone has confirmed whether the complaint is even legitimate. This is why your score dropped when you did nothing wrong. The platform received a signal it's required to investigate. That's all that happened. The review process is already running. What you do next either speeds it up or destroys it. The one thing sellers do that makes everything worse. The moment the score drops, sellers panic. They contact support. They open a case. They don't get a fast response, so they open another. And another. This is the single worst thing you can do. Every new case you open on the same issue resets the queue. It creates noise around a review that was already in progress. It forces the support team to manage your repeated contacts instead of resolving the underlying complaint. Sellers who open 5 cases on the same account health issue take significantly longer to get resolved than sellers who contact support once and wait. The review process has a timeline. Every time you interrupt it, you extend it, not shorten it. Go to your account health dashboard right now. Find exactly what changed and when. If you see a complaint you don't recognize, contact support once. What you're seeing, why it's incorrect, what you need reviewed. Attach evidence, then stop completely. While you wait, clean everything else on your account. No additional flags while a review is open. One contact. Clean account, wait. Now you know how the process actually works. Use it. Subscribe to EcomClarity for more insider knowledge that doesn't exist on any help page. Has your account health dropped without explanation? Comment below.